when young Lieutenant Ahan Kumar will lead the contingent of the iconic 61 Cavalry at the 76th Republic Day celebrations on Kartavya Path in New Delhi on Sunday. The grandson of a war veteran will literally be following in the footsteps of his father, who will be the parade commander. Mounted on his charger, Ranveer, a Hanoverian breed, the 25-year-old officer will lead the contingent of the Horse Cavalry that has been a prominent feature at the Republic Day parade since its inception. This contingent is the leading contingent of the armed forces in the ceremonial parade.
I'm a third generation officer, and my father, he's the GOC Delhi area. He's leading the parade alongside. And both my grandfathers, maternal and paternal, they were in the army, and they served the army during the wars of 1965 and 71. So I've always seen them as a role model, and I have continued the legacy of the family by joining the army.
After the 61 Cavalry contingent, India will showcase its military might by putting on display some of its cutting-edge defense platforms and weapon systems, followed by various marching contingents. Lieutenant Commander Sahil Ahluwalia, a second-generation naval officer who currently serves at INS Mysore at Visakhapatnam, will also be taking part in the Republic Day parade for the first time, but this parade will be special for him.
Honor for me to be following in my father's footsteps, as in the year 1991 he was also part of the naval contingent, and so am I going to be in the year 2000.
Asked if the biting cold of Delhi and other factors were challenges during the rehearsals, the naval contingent commander said the occasion makes you forget all constraints.
Marching on Kartavya Path, and when you see the India Gate in front of you, no matter how tired you might be feeling or how out of breath you might be, but just looking up at India Gate makes all of that go away and push you a step further to give it your everything.
Captain Ritika Khareta, who will lead a contingent of the Corps of Signals, is also making her debut at the parade.
I feel blessed, and the moment I step on the Kartavya Path with my men behind me, shouting slogans of our regiment, and with full josh and enthusiasm, we feel goosebumps and we feel very excited to march down and give salute to our Supreme Commander.
Finishing the ceremonial lineup will be Captain Ashish Rana, who will lead a Daredevils contingent of the Corps of Signals.
The team is a very well-trained team. We have been practicing for past 1 year, so that initial thing that is there, that fearlessness has been inculcated in all of us. So we are not much worried about that, but we sure do take precautions. So and safety measures that the parade should go well, and we should come well within time.
Captain Rana says this is the first time people will witness a bullet wheelie on the Kartavya Path as part of the Republic Day parade.
This time, in the history of the Republic Day parade, a bullet wheelie will be performed.
If you can explain to viewers what's a bullet wheelie.
Most of the viewers must have seen a wheelie being performed. A bike stays on the rear tire and it moves forward. But to do it on a bullet, which is which is on the heavier side, so it is a feat in itself, and we are doing that on the Kartavya Path. So it speaks volumes about the dedication of the motorcyclist team.
Captain Rana will be accompanied with Captain Dimple Singh Bhati, the second in line, who will give a salute to the President riding a 12-feet ladder mounted on a moving motorcycle, which will be a record as she will become the first woman officer of the Army to do so.